Morning guys, so now we are going to learn fifth chapter. Topic is capital market. Okay, fifth chapter is capital market. Okay, let's we see and the meaning and definition of capital market. So what's the meaning of capital market? So already I told you about the capital market in the last class, I think. Okay, so what's the meaning of the capital market? The capital market is a market. Okay, capital market is a market where buyer and sellers engage in the trade. Okay, engage in them and the trade of it's a financial securities like and bonds and shares and the debentures like that, it is known as capital market. Okay, did you understand guys what's it mean the capital market? Capital market mean it is a market. Okay, capital market mean it is a market. So buyer and seller, okay, capital market is a market where is a buyers and sellers engage in the trade. Okay, engage in the trade of securities, is the trade of the financial securities. So the financial securities like bonds and the debentures and shares, it is known as capital market. Okay, so next see the definition of capital market. A market, so capital market means a market for it's a borrowing and lending of it's a long-term capital funds required by the finance business enterprises. Okay, so the capital market mean is it's a market. Okay, capital market mean it is a market but it's not an ordinary market. Okay, because it's a capital market, it's entirely we can differ from the it's other market. Okay, so it is a entirely differ. Okay, so the capital market is a market, so we can the borrowing of fund. So capital market for we can borrowing of fund and the lending of the long term capital funds required by the business enterprises. So the capital market, it's a lending the, so we can capital market, it's a lending the long term capital and the borrowing the long term capital by the business enterprises. It is known as capital market. Do you understand guys? Capital market is a market for the borrowing and the lending of long term capital. So long term capital fund required by the business enterprises. So which enterprises require the capital, so we can the borrow lending the money from this capital market. Okay, so like the capital markets like Bombay Exchange, it is not just I told it's a BSE and NSE, it is a stock exchange. Okay, so we can lending the money, so we can borrow the money from this the secondary markets. Okay, this is known as capital market. Okay, did you understand guys what's the meaning of the meaning and definition? What's the meaning of capital market? Capital market is it's a market, so where it's a buyer and seller, it's a deals of securities, deals are the financial securities is such as shares and debentures and bonds. It is known as capital market. Then definition according to the capital market, a market for is a borrowing and lending of long term capital fund required by as a business enterprises. It is known as capital market. Okay, then the characteristics of capital market. Okay, first characteristics is the security market. Okay, characteristics is first securities market. Okay, the capital markets deals the capital market, so deals the securities. So capital markets deals with the securities like shares and debentures and bonds. I told it is known as security, it is known as security market. Okay, did you understand what's the meaning of the securities market? Securities market mean the capital market deals with securities. Capital market deals with the securities and the securities like bonds and shares and debenture. It is known as securities market. Okay, then price. Okay, so the price mean actually the price of the securities is determined. Okay, the price of the securities is determined, it's based on the demand and the supply of the privileges in the capital market for the securities. It is known as the price. Could you understand the price? The price of the securities market. Okay, the security market is a price is determined based on the demand and supply, the demand and supply of capital market for the securities. So it's a capital market. Did you understand? The price is determined based on the demand and the supply of the security market for security market for secure, so capital market for securities. Okay, this is a price. So third one, participants. Okay, the participants mean there are the many players are there in the capital market. The many players are there, so agent, so speculators, is a lot of persons are there, a lot of agents are there. So especially it's individuals. Okay, so the participants are capital markets like individuals and the corporate sectors and is a government sectors and the banks and other other financial institutions also we can participated in the stock exchange. Okay, did you understand? The participants mean there are the many players. There are the many players we can participating in the capital market. It's such as individuals and corporate companies and government companies and financial institutions and banks also we can participating. Next, fourth one, location. Actually is a capital market, it's there, it's a specific location. So capital market, capital market has the specific location. So the capital market is located in, do you know where it's located? Capital market mean it is a Bombay Stock Exchange. So BSE, it's located in Mumbai. Okay, because there is a specific location. Okay, that is located, actually it's located in Mumbai. It's BSE. BSE mean Bombay Stock Exchange is located in Mumbai because of its as a specific location. Okay, and fifth one, it's a market for financial assets. Okay, market for financial assets mean it is a, so the capital market actually the provide the transaction, it is one of the platform. Okay, it's a market for the financial assets mean the capital markets are providing the platform for the financial securities, is providing the platform, so we can get the long term capital from the capital market, you know. So it's the capital market, it's the capital market the providing the platform for the securities, so we can sell the securities, we can buy the securities from the stock exchange, you know. So it is one of the platform to the business enterprises. Okay, do you understand? So market for financial assets mean it's a capital market is a platform. Okay, it is a capital market is a the platform to the enterprises, because of we can sell and buy the securities in this market. It is known as market for financial assets. Okay, so next, kinds of capital market. Okay, kinds of capital market. So the capital market may be classified into two. First one is a primary market and second one is a secondary market. Okay, the primary market already I explained. I think the primary market, what's the primary market mean? It is a market. Okay, primary market is a market for new issue securities. So it is a new issue market. The primary market mean it is a new issue market. The first time we can issuing the securities to the public mean it is known as primary market. Did you understand what's the meaning of the primary market? The primary market mean it is a market, it's a new issue market, newly we can issue issuing the securities to the public, you know. It is known as primary market. Okay, so those securities are issued to the public for the first time in, it is known as primary market. So these the primary market, and second one is a secondary market. Okay, first we will discuss the primary market. The primary market may be the so the primary market, so there are the three ways we can raise the capital. Okay, so the primary market issuing the capital in the three ways, and first one is a public issue, second one is a right issue, third one is a private placement. Okay, the public issue mean it is a common method. Okay, the public issue mean it's a common method, so generally we can issuing the securities like that only. Okay, so public issue mean we can sell the securities to the public. Okay, so the stock exchange, so the business enterprises we can sell the securities through the stock exchange to the public, you know. It is known as public issue. Okay, did you understand? It's one of the common method. The securities we can selling to the directly to the public, it means it is a public issue. Second one is a right issue. Okay, the right issue mean it is a offering. Okay, so they are the first we given the first preference given to the existing shareholder. The existing shareholders mean the old partners. Okay, existing shareholders mean old partners. But right issue means first given the offering shares. Okay, offering the shares to the existing shareholder. So remaining, if there is the any remaining shares mean, then we can offering to them then other persons and all. So this is the right issue. Right issue mean it's a we can issuing the securities, or we can offering the securities, or we can selling the securities to the existing shareholders mean it is known as right issue. And third one is a private placement. So private placement mean it is one of the method. Actually it is we can selling the securities for the small group of investors. No, it is a private placement. So the privately we can issuing the securities, it is known as private placement. Okay, did you understand? The private placement mean the privately we can issuing the securities, no, it is known as the private placements. It's like small group of investors, like a small group. Okay, Did you understand? So three ways we can raising the capital. Public issue mean sell the securities for to the public. It is known as public issue. Right to issue mean we can offering the securities only for the existing shareholders. Mean this is a right issue. Private placement means privately we can issuing the securities to the small group of investors. Mean it is known as private placement. Okay, then next we are going to discuss secondary market. Secondary market mean it is a market. Secondary market mean it's a market we can deals of the old securities, we can deals with the old securities. It is known as secondary market. That means it's already issued securities already. So the previously these kind of the securities are issued previously, you are issued in the in this primary market. It is known as security market. So for example, stock exchange like BSE and NSE. Okay, do you understand the difference between the primary market and the secondary market? Primary market mean first time. The new issue market, the first time we can issuing the securities, it is known as a primary market. Secondary market mean already issued securities who are issuing in this market, it is known as secondary market. Okay, did you understand guys? Okay, thank you.